Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by validating prerequisites and taking the first actions. Install Redis 6 or newer and verify Redis server and Redis CLI run. Once done, choose standalone versus cluster based on scale because clusters shard data and standalone is simpler. Make sure you locate and copy the config file to edit, then set require paths for basic security and open port 6379 in your firewall. These steps prepare the environment so commands that follow execute predictably. Now you configure and create the database. Open Redis. Conf and set dir, db file name, appendingly yes or no, max memory, and an eviction policy so Redis behaves under load. These control persistence and memory usage. Start the server with Redis server /path/to/Redis. Conf because launching with your file enforces those settings. Then use Redis CLI to test. Authenticated with auth, run select 0 or another index and write keys. This sequence creates usable logical DBs and finish by ensuring persistence and automation. Trigger BG save or confirm AOF rewrite to create dump. RDB or appendantly. AOF because persistence prevents data loss. Then install a systemd unit to run Redis server at boot and set restart behavior and permissions so Redis recovers after reboots. If something goes wrong, check Redis logs and system journal, verify memory limits and eviction policy, confirm bind address and require paths are correct, and ensure the Redis user owns files. These quick checks resolve most startup and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.